Jeez, you can't even clean out your car?
I did. That's from past.
What do you mean you did?
I did.
Terrible. Let's go. Where's the camera at?
You still leave it?
Oh my gosh. You left it at your apartment.
Because you said leave it charging.
Oh my god. You couldn't charge it in your car? You have a freaking USB right there. Oh my god. Alright, let's go get you a battery, since apparently you don't know how to charge camera. Yeah. Well, tell us a little bit about your car. What do you have done?
Lowering springs, I think they're E-Box, sport lines.
Okay.
Boiler S-type, exhaust, heat H pipe. That's really it.
You aren't even tuned yet?
Nope. Nope.
Come on! You do a little pull or what?
Yeah. I don't see any cops.
Let's get it. So why don't you tell us why we're having to go to Walmart?
Because I forgot to buy a battery. And
Oh.
the battery we had in the camera wasn't charged, so
Oh, and what did I say to do on Amazon?
buy one.
Oh yeah. Oh, like
Oh.
when?
Like
A week ago? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we are with the dead camera.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Useless. Now we gotta figure out if they have the battery here.
You want a TV?
Okay, to Walmart. No, we don't need a TV. We need a battery.
$500 for 16 inch?
Oh my god. This guy. So what happened to Walmart?
They don't have any batteries.
No batteries.
Nope.
Off to Best Buy.
And you kind of pissed the lady off too.
Yeah, you know, minor details. They said they didn't have any batteries for cameras, so I asked if they had at least one, and she still said no. I mean, why not? What's all this you got behind me? What is all that in the bags?
Goodies.
What'd you get?
Cervini grill and a Roush lower grill.
What do you have in my house?
A Roush chin spoiler. I had it come through freight. And it's been there for like 2 weeks.
How big was the box?
Bigger than the car.
All right, so now what are we currently waiting on?
I've just been open.
What time do they open at?
10.
What time is it now?
9:37.
9:37. Dude.
I'm sorry.
Oh my
I
god.
know the bumper should have been off by now. We should have already had the girls' room top.
Could have been so far ahead already.
Maybe.
Getting all your stuff on.
But who wanted content?
Sight.
Content squad, right?
Sight.
Okay.
Sight. You get on in there, Best Buy, boy. Hurry up and open up. We're waiting. Come on. These old people, where's the meme? Let me in. Let me in. It's 9:50. Let me in. We gotta play that meme. More. Let them in. Let them in. It's not even 10 o'clock. 9:58.
10 o'clock.
Look at all these people.
My
Oh my gosh. Alright. They might be having a Labor Day sale. That's probably what it is. Hey, so what are we doing at Best Buy now?
Buying cameras,
What are you buying?
GoPros.
How many are you buying?
2.
2 GoPros. Getting the Fusion and the 7 Black. This guy. And all these accessories. We got the battery. This guy. There we go. How does that make you feel, all this stuff?
Like I'm in debt.
I'm in debt. And now we got the fancy camera out.
With the other cameras.
Now we can get some actual nice footage. Let's go. So we're gonna get back to the house so we can go fucking do this. EV quack. EV quack. Alright, Duck, what are we doing?
Ah!
Dude, come on, man.
Come on back.
How are they gonna do this to us? So, went to Best Buy, bought the memory cards. They didn't realize it, but they left the damn safety things on. They had the alarm go off and they're like, oh, you're good, go ahead. And we're like, okay, whatever, we didn't even think about it. So, on our way back, go get these things taken off. Ridiculous. How does that make you feel?
I mean, I'm kind of tired of driving, so.
Yeah, we've been all over the place
I just filled
today.
up yesterday. I'm already under half a tank. Like.
Here we go. Hey, you know what I realized is the worst part?
What?
Is that I filmed with the cards in those safety things still with the magnets on them. I was like, oh, we got 2 cards, we're good to go. Yeah. I don't know who's more idiots, us or the Best Buy guys. Well, we're good to go now. Let's get it.
What are you doing? Oh, you know, just gonna jack this thing up right here.
Tell you what, brother. Oh. Oh.
Let's go. You wanna get the jack stands?
Yeah.
Come on, man, you gotta learn this stuff. Come on.
So I'm being really dumb. Where's the hood?
Left side.
On the left side?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
Come
Come on, man. What are you doing? Gosh, it's hot.
Yeah.
It's hot.
I mean, it was worse if it was black, huh?
Russ, your YouTube channel is Danger Russ, right?
Yes.
It's like,
Like and subscribe.
oh, it's hot.
Well, how long were we driving for?
I don't know.
We drove from
2 hours.
from my house to Walmart to Kroger to Best Buy to home to Best Buy again back here.
So what all are you wanting to put on your car today?
The upper grill, lower grill, and the Roush chin spoiler. And it's the wheel. What is it? The wheel winglet something.
Wheel.
They go like right there on the outside of the wheel, and they like I don't know.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Come on, man.
It's been a minute since
You're the one that bought it.
Okay, and when was that? Like 2 months ago.
It wasn't that long ago. It might have been actually.
Yeah, because we waited what 3 weeks to hear that the carbon fiber wasn't coming in.
Yeah.
That was kind of.
No, it was eventually. They just
Eventually.
didn't know how long.
They're like,
Yeah, we don't really know, man. We'll be here eventually.
you know, these tariffs are really screwing us up.
5 to 10.
Is that a really old drag radio right there?
Where?
That tire?
Oh yeah, that's whenever I had one blow out on the way to the track.
Oh yeah, I remember you told me that and you were like, oh god.
I was stuck on the tire for a little bit. Whatever. Because the hydro dip, you gotta dunk it in water. You're talking about dunking electronics in water.
Yeah, so would you recommend it rather wrap it or just leave it alone?
Probably just wrap it. Alright.
They got the Eco Boom out there.
Oh, I don't think it.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
They gotta screw them out. Yee.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. I canceled it one time. I thought I was going to be late at the concert, and I was like, I think I'm going to be able to wake up at 6 in the morning.
These are loose. 6 is not okay.
I see all the bolts. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my
Make
gross.
some extensions out of that.
Oh, it's gross. Stop.
I'm going to tell the black girl that it's Brazilian, but really it's
It's this East Texas deer. It's that good. Ooh.
All these other ones are the same.
There's always one. So you know what they've been doing on DDE lately?
What?
They hired to do that fly. I mean, he wanted. He was looking to see if he had it.
Yeah, I didn't have it. Thought I did.
Why not?
I don't know. They just didn't offer it to me.
Just pop off, right?
No, I got 2 more. I gotta get
Yeah.
and we'll end that one. We're gonna need that.
Got it?
There we go.
Yay, belly pan off.
What did you look at? Did you go?
There it goes.
Oh, that's it?
It's on.
Let me go pick it up.
Now, you gotta unplug the power. This
So what are the clips they talk about that break?
Oh, on the old ones it's these.
Oh,
But this is the new design for the 18.
Okay.
It's way better.
look. Now it's gonna be a race car.
Alright, let's get this out of the heat.
Whistles that guy with 1, 2, 3, 4 is his password.
Push it. Top one. Got it.
I feel like it's breaking stuff.
There's a little bit of paint that's on the bottom.
Fuck it. Expensive ass paint.
Dumb expensive.
Aaron, we need a pint of that shit. That's your thumbnail right there.
Oh no, I know what I'm doing. I think.
Alright, bottles on me, long as someone drink it. Never drop the ball, fuck it y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove, tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I could teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known. About to go Thriller, Mike Jackson on these niggas. All I need's a fucking red jacket with some zippers. Super good Smitto, a package of the swishers. I did it overnight, it couldn't happen any quicker. Y'all know them, well fucking me either. But point the biggest skeptic out, I make them a believer. It wouldn't be the first time I done it, throwing hundreds where I should be throwing ones. Bitch, I run it, changes.
I see changes.
One thing about music, when it hits you, feel no pain. And I swear I got this shit that make these bitches go insane. So they tell me that they love me, I know better than that. It's just game, it's just what comes with the fame. And I'm ready for that, I'm just saying.